Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce our group. Our group is group 3. This time we will present the application of series and parallel electrical circuit in everyday life, which will be explained by each member of our group. First, Helmian Yati Efna, who will discuss electric iron in a series electrical circuit. Next, Jovan Kafadila, who will explain the series electrical circuit on decorative light. Then, I'm Olivia Winarusma, will explain about the series electrical circuit on LEDs. Then, Azahra Ezimon, which will explain about parallel electrical circuit on laptop keyboards. Then last is Windy Trinaya, who will explain about parallel circuit in electrical circuit at home.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Helmian Yati Efna. My ID number is 1923-1025. I want to tell you about the electric iron. Electric iron was first patented in 1882. But at the time, this invention wasn't successful because it was difficult to use and not many people had electricity at home. At the beginning of the 20th century, electric irons became popular, and finally in the 1920s appeared electric irons with temperature control. The way an electric irons work is actually the same as the work of other electronic equipment that produce heat with electrical energy. The basis is to take advantage of heat generated by nickeling wire when electric. Similar to that, other electronic equipment that also takes advantage of the heat of the nickel wire when electrified are electric stoves, electric stoves, rice cooker, hot water dispenser, and nozzles. The use in electric irons is intended to smooth clothes that are wrinkled. A heating element is used in the form of a flat nickeling wire wrapped around a mica sheet, which is shaped in such a way as to the shape of the iron base, so that the heat can be evenly distributed. This heating element is insulated against the iron body. In other models of electric irons, nickeling wire is worn in a spiral shape and is inserted in the sleeve or pipe as a protection, so that the electric current doesn't flow to the iron body. The nickeling spiral with the pipe is insulated with magnesium oxide material. In the old iron spiral, the nickeling spiral was given a sleeve made of a ceramic refractory stone as protection, and at the same time as an insulator. Hot collector iron are at the same time as the base of the iron is in the form of a plate coated with anti-rust and non-stick material, and this part must always be clean because it is directly. Number 3. Cover an iron holder. The iron cover is used to protect the inside of the iron, which is electrified against the touch of its use, and also functions so that the heat doesn't spear directly into the free fire. While the iron holder is usually made of material that doesn't transmit heat and also doesn't conduct electric current. For this part. Number 4. Connecting terminals and cables. The terminal is useful for connecting the iron circuit with the voltage source from the wall socket via the connecting cable. Some models of electric irons use a terminal, which is the connecting between the end of the element wire connected to the plug or sticker, with the outer connecting cable, which is connected to the counter plug. so that when not in use, the connecting cable can be removed and stored separately from the iron. Number 5. Heat control. Iron with an automatic heat control use an additional component in the form of a thermostat composed of bimetal material, namely two metal plates with different length expansion coefficients joined together into one plate. If this metal plate is exposed to heat, one of its pipes will expand first, so that the plate is bent, which is then used to disconnect or connect the contact. So if the contact is overheat, the contact breaks so that the heating element is no longer energized. But if the heat starts to loosen and the contact will reconnect and the electric current returns to flow through the heating element. Thus, the hot condition of the iron can be maintained at a certain heat as desired by setting the heat control button. Number 6. Water pump. An iron that use water vapor has a water tap and is equipped with a water pump. This water pump functions to spray water and the object being iron, especially on thick material or cut end, in order to get a good and neat iron result. This is for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey my friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Nivanka Fadila. I'm from Group 3. Today, I will discuss about the application of electrical circuit in everyday life. Let's see this video. Have you ever noticed the decorative light around those or the decorative light on the Christmas tree? And did you know that these attractive decorative light are example of the application of series electrical circuits? And do you know how the decorative light work? A series electrical circuit in a circuit in which they are connected sequentially. The series that is installed can be the form of lamps totaling 2 or more. And in the Christmas tree decorative lights, there are 20 lights. Series electrical circuits are also known as single circuits, which are quite simple, more efficient in the cable lines connecting one part to another. Apabila saklar pada posisi on, the electron will follow the negative pole to the positive pole, through a series of lights arranged in series. Apabila rangkai lampu menyala redup, ini disebabkan oleh tegangan total terbagi dengan ketahanan yang dimiliki oleh masing-masing beban lampu, sedangkan besar arus listriknya tetap atau sama di setiap rangkaian lampunya. In a series electrical circuits, if there is a lamp that is disconnected, then all the lights will also disconnect. This is what causes the electric currents to not flow.
Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Olivia Rivina Rusma, student identification number 19231034. Well, here I will explain one of the series electrical circuit application on LEDs. What the LED looks like? Yeah, here are LEDs. Now, this LED is very often encountered. Example on flashlight, decorative light at home, and we very often encounter this ring light. Yeah, is used like when doing selfie. And actually, there are many more applications using this LED. This LED is an application of a series electrical circuit. We can see. Yeah, this is a series of electrical circuit from LEDs. These lamps are arranged in a series, not branches, where this series has the advantage of being more energy efficient and not easy to hit, so that conflict or damage will occur. This type of lamp is also durable and long-lasting. Even the LED lamp can last up to 5,000 hours, or the equivalent of 5 years, so that it will save more budget and expense. Series electrical switches save more materials, especially cable, because they only use one current or one cable. This is what makes the series electrical circuit more energy efficient and also does not cost a lot. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Zara Ezimon. I will do presentation about keyboard in the computer. Okay, a keyboard is like a miniature computer. The keyboard has its own that carry information to the and from the process. The larger part of the keyboard sequence is a key. Kita tidak bisa mengerti dalam bahasa Inggris atau sulit dipahami. Untuk akan menjelaskan dengan bahasa Indonesia tentang cara kerja keyboard itu sendiri. Yang pertama, key keyboard. Key keyboard adalah sebuah kisi atau rangkaian di bawah tombol-tombol keyboard. Di dalam key keyboard, tiap rangkaiannya terputus seperti saklar, dan pada titik di bawah tiap-tiap tombol keyboard tersebut. Ketika kita menekan sebuah tombol-tombol tersebut, menekan sebuah saklar menjadi rangkaian tersambung dan mengalirkan arus listrik yang melaluinya. Jika kita lama pada tombol, proses mengenalnya sama dengan menekankan tombol tersebut berulang kali. Ketika proses menemukan rangkaian tertutup, tersambung karena adanya penekanan, maka proses akan membandingkan lokasi yang rangkaiannya tertutup tersebut dengan peta karakter yang tersimpan di dalam ROM-nya atau di dalam read-only memory keyboard. Peta karakter pada dasarnya adalah tabel daftar karakter, yaitu daftar posisi tombol atau kombinasi tombol beserta karakter yang dipresentasikannya. Sebagai karakter memberitahukan proses bahwa menekan tombol A sendirian menghasilkan huruf A kecil. Tetapi jika menekan tombol Shift bersamaan tombol A, sama-sama akan menghasilkan huruf kapital A tersebut. Itu adalah contoh penggunaan atau pemakaian keyboard itu sendiri. Selanjutnya yaitu the component can also use a part character map as offset of character map from the keyboard. This is useful if the user is typing in a language whose letters are not the same as the letter in English, Latin letter generally. The user can set the computer to translate the keyboard keys as if typing using the door keyboard, even though the actual keyboard used in the QWERTY keyboard. In addition, the operation system and application program have keyboard settings that allow user to change the keyboard behavior to suit definition as described above. Oke, saya akan mencoba mentranslate, yaitu di dalam keyboard tersebut terdapat tombol-tombol yang di dalamnya terhubung dengan rangkaian listrik. Rangkaian listrik tersebut adalah listrik tertutup atau skalar, di mana apabila salah satu tombol misalnya A ditekan dengan huruf satu saja A saja, maka di dalam memorinya atau di dalam randomnya akan tertulis huruf A kecil. Tetapi jika huruf A tersebut disusun atau ditekan dengan menekan tombol shift, maka random access memory atau ROM-nya tadi akan bergerak untuk mengubah huruf A kecil menjadi A besar. Dan selanjutnya tombol-tombol yang lain juga terhubung seperti itu. Di bawah tombol tersebut terdapat saklar atau listrik yang mengalir ketika ditekan. Oleh karena itu, keyboard merupakan salah satu media listrik, yaitu listrik skalar atau listrik seri atau tertutup. Oke, mungkin sekian presentasi dari saya. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Application program have keyboard setting that allow user to change the keyboard behavior to set definition and description above. Oke, saya akan mencoba mentranslate, yaitu di dalam keyboard tersebut terdapat tombol-tombol yang di dalamnya terhubung dengan rangkaian listrik. Rangkaian listrik tersebut adalah listrik tertutup atau skalar, di mana apabila salah satu tombol, misalnya A, ditekan dengan huruf satu saja, A saja, maka di dalam memorinya atau di dalam randomnya akan tertulis huruf A kecil. Tetapi jika huruf A tersebut disusun atau ditekan dengan menekan tombol shift, maka random access memory atau ROM-nya tadi akan bergerak untuk mengubah huruf A kecil menjadi A besar. Dan selanjutnya tombol-tombol yang lain juga terhubung seperti itu. Di bawah tombol tersebut terdapat saklar atau listrik yang mengalir ketika ditekan. Oleh karena itu, keyboard merupakan salah satu media listrik, yaitu listrik skalar atau listrik seri atau tertutup. Oke, mungkin sekian presentasi dari saya. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Windy Trinaya Gusti. My ID name 19231096. Okay, I want to talk about the application of electrical circuit in daily life at home. A parallel circuit and electrical circuit arranged side by side. The positive pole meet the positive pole. A parallel circuit has the advantage that one resistance is in effect it not create problem with other obstacles. In a parallel circuit, have some energy of each point in the circuit parallel. One example of applying a parallel circuit in daily life is installation of light at home. The purpose of electrical installation at home of parallel it is make it easier to turn off electricity using a single switch. In electricity, a parallel circuit arranges a parallel rows. A parallel circuit in which all input components come from the same source. Unlike the series, which doesn't have a branch so that when the lamp goes out, so that all the light will go off. How to arrange electrical circuit in the house in the parallel is often also used connect the house wiring in general. In electric circuit in a parallel, the voltage following is the same at each lot of components that's arranged in parallel. Parallel electric circuit is very well installed in the house because if one the bulbs are pushed, it will not other bulbs want to break too, because the parallel circuit has a special characteristic, namely it has a branching point. The electric circuit in the house installed in parallel because it can be turned on and off alternately. Even the parallel circuit is not affect other electrical device when one of them is switched or on off. It is a suitable reason in the parallel circuit installation at home.